Up guys, Cyber Scrapper here back with another video, and gonna be going over here to scrap. I'm just finding insulated copper cords and maybe some copper yoke. That's about it. I don't feel like riding my bike today, so I'm gonna today because I don't feel like riding my bike, and my back wheel is kind of flat. You know, it's kind of flat because I've been hitting curves and stuff with it, and it needs rest because I've been on it every day, and I could just walk today, you know, get some exercise or walk. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go check out some places. I'll see you guys in. Stay tuned. So we're over here at these apartments. Let's check it out. See what we can find today. I'm just looking for insulated copper cords, which is plugs and cords. You know, the cords attached to the plugs for the most part. And then if I can find like a TV or something, get the yokes out of there, then that would be good, because that's the most money we can get per pound. So let's try to find something. Stay tuned. So we're in a dumpster now, huh? See if there's anything I can get. Maybe this plug right here. Not a plug, but it's cordage. Let me get my knife real quick. I think it's in my jacket pocket. Yeah. Alright, let's get this thing out. Okay. Let's pull this out. Come on, baby. Coming home with me tonight. Got a vacuum here. I'm gonna put this cord in my pocket, and hold on. See if I can put this in my pocket. Come on, get in my pocket. Hurry up. Come on. Alright. I'm gonna grab this, and I'm gonna go ahead and take off this plug. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off real quick. Let's go ahead and take this off quick. Then we have this really long plug here. We also have an electric motor in here, but yeah, I might go ahead and take it because I might need it to sell. So we're just gonna try to get this unplugged real quick, and I'll show you guys afterwards. We got a power cord here, unraveled. This is some good weight to it. I might get this electric motor out. I'm not really sure if I want to do that. I might go over there and sit on the dishwasher and unscrew this real quick, and then get it out, take it with me. What's over here? Ew, it's got a bunch of bugs and stuff. Ew, no. Too much germs, man. I'm not gonna mess with it. So, I have this right here, and I'm gonna screw the screws. So, I know you guys can't really see. Alright, so I'm just gonna sit in this dumpster. There's a couch right here, there's a dishwasher. I'm sitting on the dishwasher. So I'm gonna take these screws out real quick. Let's show you guys. See if I can get this thing out. screws here. Can't reach them. I might just have to pass on an electric motor because I'm trying to get the screws out, and I didn't want to bring my hammer, so hold on, let me see if this. But hopefully we do find some more stuff at the other dumpsters. 2 more dumpsters I gotta check. So I'm gonna just take this cord here because ain't no point in trying to get this electric motor if it's not really worth anything. It's only worth 10 cents a pound. So with that being said, I'm just gonna take this right here. And I think I got a bag. Yeah, I got a bag. Hold on. I just got a bag here. I'm gonna put my cords in my bag. So there's no point in taking this electric motor if it's only worth 10 cents a pound. The cords here are worth $1.50 a pound. So see if there's anything over here. Let's see. Nope. I guess not. That's alright. I'll just find somewhere else to find some. Alright, so I think I'm gonna check one more place. Maybe 2 more places. Not really sure. But this next place, it might definitely have something. I just need cords. I want cords and maybe a TV, like I said. Easy cracking copper, you know, the ones that are not in an electric motor. I'm not looking for electric motors because electric motors are cheap. 10 cents a pound, it's not worth it. It's not really worth it. The electric motors, you know, so easy cords that I can cut off of a TV or a lamp, something like that. Nothing that's an electric motor. But yeah, so stay tuned, guys. That's it for the day. That's all I could find. So yeah, I might go. I'm probably gonna be going somewhere tomorrow. Probably on my bike this time. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the vlog tomorrow and Sunday. Hopefully, if Sunday I actually go out to find some stuff. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.